Um, I don't know what I'm doing. Damn it, that's... Okay, everything's in a jar now. Okay, back to my Patreon challenge again. So 5 paintings, 5 digital artworks in 1 week. This is round 2. Check out my Patreon. So I saw this artwork from the MCA, and this one's really old. It looked really cool. It's like red stairs from the roof, and it's gonna have nothing to do with my artwork, but I was thinking like I should do a roof. Maybe I'll put some stairs in it, maybe I'll figure out, maybe I've got a photo, I don't know. And I just want to like dump all this shit out of the hole, like my little donut town, like have miniature things falling out of it. I think it's gonna be awesome. Guy. Okay. I only want the sky from this one. Huh? I don't know what I'm doing. Okay. Yep, just gonna smudge this. Damn it, that's not what I wanted. Okay. Okay. Okay, I'm taking the mountains. I need this to be longer. I need new sky. Not this one. Okay, everything's in a jar now. I'd also... It's just a bit of a mess if it's not in the jar. Yeah. More shadows. Alright, I believe this is done. There's not really much more I can... It's just a weird looking piece. I'm sure like that's everyone's opinion every time anyone looks at any of my artworks, but I just think this one's a bit weird. Okay, just gotta like change the colors just a little bit. I'm done. Blue? I kinda like these brushes with stars. Oops. Black. Not that one. Is this a Bloodhound Gang reference?
Wow! Incredible!
Alright, that's the artwork. Like if you want to actually see it, because like I've just been doing these kind of shots at nighttime on the computer screen, so you don't actually see it, but if you actually want to see it, there's a link to my website below and you can see a still image. Other than that, you stuck around. Click like, help me start up this YouTube. Yeah, that's about it. There's a coloring book below as well.